Today I am to present the urban space through the eyes of an architect with a simple and quick sketch. 안녕하세요. 숨은 플레이스의 도시건축가원입니다. Hello, I'm an urban architect at Sun Place. I was born and raised in Korea for the most part, but after studying landscape architecture and urban design at the University of Pennsylvania, I'm now working in urban architecture in the United States and Korea. I would like to share my thoughts on the beautiful places of the city with those who are interested in art and space through my drawings. The place I am about to sketch is a relatively narrow pedestrian walkway located between a major road and an apartment village. Despite its narrowness, I believe it can serve as a special layer within the entire city, according to the design intentions of the architect. First, I will determine the positions of the road and the trees, and then sketch the central view location in a simple manner. The place I am about to sketch is a relatively narrow pedestrian walkway located between a major road and an apartment village. Despite its narrowness, I believe it can serve as a special layer within the entire city, according to the design intentions of the architect. It transforms a functional space that could potentially feel stutter into a pleasant urban space for users to enjoy. By sketching the flower beds and trees alongside the road, I am to enhance the sense of enclosure within this narrow but surrounding space. However, it's important not to lose the ambience of an open space, since it is not completely enclosed. In a city that can feel barren, I hope to continue discovering beautiful urban spaces that leave people with enjoyable memories through my sketches. Thank you.